Alright, what's up YouTube? Welcome to the Struggling Day Trader channel. My name is Hassan and I'm chasing my dream of becoming a profitable day trader. There's only one problem. It's the hardest thing I've ever done in my life. But I'm working hard, I believe in myself, I'm doing the things that you're supposed to do, tracking my trades, journaling, taking profits, all that good stuff, and it's going really well. It's getting really exciting. And the coolest thing is I'm doing it all live right here on YouTube. We're building an awesome community in the process. I'd love to have you with us. Hit that like button for me. Subscribe if you haven't. Discord links in the description. Everything is free for the community. Let's get to it, y'all. What's up, man? Was it Wednesday already? January 15th. What's good, man? I got OSTX on watch this morning. The gap list is huge. I kind of opened the floodgates on my gap up list, and basically anything from $1 to, I can't remember what the upper limit, maybe $100, 150 or something like that, and volume over 1 million and gap over 2%. So there's a lot of that this morning. And I was really just focused on the top 5 highest volume ones, and I didn't make it down this far on the list. But I was talking to my guy Trey about SGBX, and he was like, "Yeah, that's cool." Wave Rider, what's up, bro? He was like, "Yeah, that's cool." But OSTX. He was like, "I'm gonna watch OSTX," and I pull it up. I'm like, bruh. This is exactly what I'm looking for, man. Uptrending on the daily. We do have a lower high here, but we got like a higher low double bottom thing going on here. I like to pull back into the gap day. And I definitely like it over this high over here at 648. So I'd love to see it open above that and dip down maybe to 648-ish or even 6. And shoot. Shoot. But we'll see. So yesterday, let's check out yesterday, man. January 14th. All right, yesterday brought to you by TraderSync. Coolest journal in the game. Link in the description. Yeah, so RGTI yesterday, basically what happened was I got bamboozled by these green candles at the open, man, and FOMO was just so bad. And all these hammer candles, man, I couldn't handle it. Even though they're all inside the same range of each other, I just, saw the little flag forming. And yeah, these first 2 candles, my FOMO was like off the charts after this. And so that I gotta realize that's my trigger. What up, Trey? I gotta realize that's my trigger, and when I see that, I gotta just like, all right, man, relax. Usually it's the FOMO the other way, like the dip, and then I want to buy the dip because I feel like the reversal is gonna happen really fast because the pop was really fast, which is crazy how I have that psychology on the downside, but on the upside I don't expect the reversal to be real fast, like even though it's the same principle. And look, the reversal happened real fast. So yeah, this was just like a fool's errand yesterday, man. Hey, what's up, Signature? So yeah, we gotta definitely not let that happen. And then what happened after that? Okay, I took a bad entry. I think I reset pretty well. Well, yeah, I think I reset pretty well. I like these entries right here where you kind of get the test to the lows back to back. So I took that entry on the next trade, and but the problem was I was in my head about the loss, and all I wanted to do was make back the loss, and I didn't take profits on these pops like I had normally been doing because I wanted to hold my shares for a higher sale so that I can make my money back, so I could have an even bigger win, to make back the loss and have a nice win. So just started trading my P&L, man, and took nothing, stopped out full loss. It even did it slip me down, or did I have my stop this low? Yeah, I think it even slipped my stop down. So yeah, that happened. And then I had, yeah, because I lost $7. I lost an R and a half on that stop out. And so I had 0.5 R left of risk because my max loss on my platform where I have it kick me out is 3 R. So I was down 2.5 R, and I was like, hey man, I'm about to take this half a R and make something shake. And I came over here and found RGTI. I noticed it had a really good day, so I was like, let me go see what RGTI is doing. And I noticed this big pullback and started making a base down here, and it broke out of that and came back and tested. I was like, hey, this was a crazy trade, man. It just was straight up, man. But I didn't want to make the same mistake. As far as I think I'm able to clear my head to take a better trade after a loss, where I think I'm a little less likely now to buy a lower low after stopping out, just like reflexively. But I noticed after that last loss that I had a problem taking profit. So when I took this trade, I was telling myself, like, we're going to take profit as soon as it pops. And so as soon as this thing popped, I started taking profit. And then it sold off. And I wanted to I got in with my position with my stop down here. And I wanted to move my stop up, but I was like, yo, this is the YOLO trade trying to make the day back. I can't stop out. So thanks, Q. Yeah, it was kind of feeling like I could justify taking the trade because it was just half a R risk, and you know, but what up, Santa? Oh man, Q about to bust me in the head. uh, but yeah, so I actually took a screenshot of that trade to add it to my picture time folder. And yeah, so not only was that a hammer candle in range, it was like 3 hammer candles in range. Um, but yeah, just a reminder again, don't get caught up in a range, man. Don't get caught. A hammer inside of a range is not a real hammer. Like, it's gotta be. The principle of the range is that it breaks down below and finds new buyers, right? Uh, hey, well, that sounds awesome, bro. Thanks for hanging out with me on vacation, man. That's pretty cool, bro. Um, yeah, so that's not what we're looking for. Uh, Same thing there. Man, that's a tough one though, because I like that setup actually. But yeah, man, just trying to wait. It's trying to stay out of those first 3 candles, man. It really gets hard to not want to jump in there, but it's definitely a lower risk trade. I mean a higher risk trade. Um, but yeah, this is my newly added screenshot. Don't let the green candles trigger your FOMO. Like fast up equals fast down, just like fast down usually is fast up. So just wait for lower day. That's another thing I did with this, is that I didn't risk low of day, which would have stopped out. But the point is, I didn't want to risk low of day because it was so far of low of day, and it's like, hey, it's really far from low of day. Like that's not what I'm trying to do. So if I don't want to put my stop at low of day, like red flag, step away from the trade, you know. But come on, Q, don't stir it up. Let me hear it, bro. I already know, you know, my guy Trey be on me too. But yeah, go and give it to me, man. The people might need to hear it too. Said I'm gonna keep it real. Nah, but I'm definitely, I want to get away from the mindset with like when I got that last little R at the end of the day, and I'm like, F it, you know, I'm gonna just throw this R against the wall and see what it does. You know, the thing of breaking the rules, like the win is, I mean, I was really happy to make back my 3R yesterday that I lost. But breaking my rules, I would say, is a greater loss than the 3R would have been, you know. And it just gets so hard to realize that in the moment. It's I'm trying to stay on the process over profit side mentally, but it's so hard to it's so hard to not focus on the profit. Because I mean, that's at the end of the day, that's why we're here. But it's like, if you focus on that, you won't get there. You have to focus on this, and then that will just come with it. Lip service. Can't congratulate. No, I understand. I understand. But um man, hey, look at this 5 right here, bro. I'm gonna have to take this 5, yo. Over 656. Yo, this 5 is nice. All right, last minute to the open. Dang, them mugs breaking out already. Um, nah, last minute to the open. Man. Hmm. I'm definitely too worried about missing it. I feel that being heavy now. And the days when I was doing well, I felt a large amount of patience in the morning. So I gotta bring it back. I gotta bring it back, man. I can feel it right now. It's like game time. Here we go. All right, man. Yeah, this is really nice. Like it's already pulled back. It's really ready to go. It's really ready to go. But let's be reasonable. Yeah, I really wanted to take that 5 minute setup right there and just take the break of that 5 from pre-market. But I don't really have data to validate that entry. But I've been watching it. And if it works today, I'm probably gonna take it next time. Because this is like maybe the third or fourth time I've seen a nice higher low from pre-market. Up, up. That's why you wait. Yeah, man. I know, right? Straight dump. Sure did. Glad I ain't take that 5. uh, well, dang. Billy got F's. I'm gonna go put some tea on. Wow. Going off. Yeah, I mean, I've seen a lot of setups that look like this that, I mean, look like they would be good, but they just don't qualify for a setup yet, you know. Definitely in some shaky territory for day trades, I feel like. I feel like this is like a good swing entry, maybe, but not a good setup for me wanting to day trade it. Hmm. You got bid ask quotes on your side, Trey? Oh, I guess. Yeah, I don't see you got nothing. And that thing dumped. Yeah. Fast down, fast up. Dang, this doesn't have the timer. Oh yeah. How come I don't have any bid ask data? Whoa, there he goes. Dang. It's about to halt again. Look at this. This is horrible. Horrible. The double halt off the open. Oh, that's beautiful hammer time. Uh, yeah, that's beautiful. Ooh, what do we have here? This is why I don't like buying the clothes, and I like buying the break. Everything's getting squashed. Seriously, actually, that isn't that. Okay, there's some direction changing volume coming in down here on LAES. Should have just bought it right there at 475. There's some direction changing volume right here. There's the reversal. The entry's nasty though. Actually, you know what? It's only 20 cent. That's a lot though, if considering the range it's done so far. Yeah, the volume that it's just got to do a higher low with a better entry than that though. That's a garbage entry. 36:45. So another minute and 20, another minute 15 seconds. Now be looking for something like two red candles on lower volume than those green candles right there, and then a nice burst of volume to come after. That would be a nice entry. And the closer to lower day, the better. Like it ain't gonna make it that far down though. Yeah, I'm about to go now. Yeah, that was it. I should have took this mug, man. It just felt like too wide of an entry, but and it's not the one that I'm watching today. It does look quite nasty, but not necessarily. Yeah, I mean, considering it opened way up there, got washed pretty hard. It had to be some pretty big volume come in to make this look exciting. Which I mean, on the 5, it actually has. Yo, what up, Leon? Come on, test that lower day on some volume, bruh. You ain't gonna get no shares on this entry. Come on, drop it on down.
Order filled.
Not as significant as I should have waited for, man. Yeah, pretty much. Yeah, that's kind of why I'm expecting the bounce too, though. This might have been a bit early. Definitely after. I mean, it did technically make a lower low, and that should have made me wait for a another, confirmation after that. But bruh, can we just get one higher high? Yeah, I do, man. It ain't perfect, bruh. It's still human execution. And it's like the buying volume is not there. Yeah, look bad. Well, either it's the lower day or it ain't. If it is, we in there. If it ain't, well, Well, yeah, but I'm in there now. So now that I've made the decision, I'm hoping that it goes in my favor. But I mean, it just it had the double bottom. It had um, I just volume came in. It just wasn't as significant as I would normally like to take my entry, but still a decent setup. I know the only time it broke 30 is when I got in. Man, and it didn't even break. It just went to 30. So, that break of 30 could be real nice. It's been a nice little consolidation down here. It was a little volume. Oh, okay. All right. Uh-oh. There's a tap of 30. Can we get 31? Sure is. Took some off. Damn.
Order filled.
Yeah, this is done, yo. What a jip. Man, this thing got destroyed today. What? Damn, there's the entry on LAES with the follow through volume. Sure does. And the 5 looks good. Man, super smoked, Q. Like, what happened? Another haul down. Dang, bro. How did this thing go so wrong? Yeah, I mean, I've actually, yeah, the volume definitely, appreciate it, Paul. Yeah, pre-market was nuts, and then this. Mm, mm, that's pretty nice. Looks great on the five too. It's way down there though. There's the volume. Nice technical trader. Wow.
Order filled.
Yeah, that's the whole bag, man. That's the whole bag. And that's I mean, that's exactly what I didn't wait for on the first entry. But yeah, it just seems like everything's just super weak today. I mean, and it's showing that it's super weak and just still taking stabs at it, poking a dead cat at the, because you see it bounce, you like, still alive. Well, there it is.
Order filled. Old Crash Bandicoot. Hmm. Like, this is a crazy daily setup right here. How does this even happen? It's like, yeah, I definitely expect a wide range day after this type of setup, but not a red one. Yeah, 1.5 R. What you been trading, Q? Man, come on, man. There's the volume. That's what volume looks like. Jeez. Well, this one's definitely not one to look at. Rinsed and hosed. Rinsed and hosed. Dang, man.
Order filled.
Oh, it's right. I know. The idea was just a strong move above this
consolidation and then the retest and buy up. Like the actual line in the sand for an entry like this would be below 130. So, I mean, it would be a tighter range, but I only have half an hour left to risk, so I couldn't get that many shares. So, uh, yeah, no doubt. It's just the waiting for the dip part that's hard, but it's easy to wait for it once you get in and you have no choice. Like, there's the dip. Man, I wish I could be more patient for some red. Yeah, right. Well, if it breaks 130, I'm pretty sure that's gonna be a wrap. Yeah, I can see that. Hold on 1 second. All right. Huh. It just feels a bit bearish, more bearish than usual today. Signature. No, not on every. Well, I like basically on the highs, not on the pops, but like the first higher high above my entry, I'm gonna want to get some shares off. But I mean, my risk is so wide at this point. I'm not gonna take profit 2 cents above my entry just to take shares out of my position. That's not the goal. But that wasn't a very good candle there, was it? Exit candle right there. Huh. Yeah, I mean, the spy's looking good. Yeah. Man, I forgot about my tea over here. Over here in intense tilt mode over here. I was not prepared to not have a awesome day. Like my expectations on the day, I feel like are always unreasonable. So it's hard for me to accept that the stock that I wanted to watch halted down twice on the open and probably should have just left it alone. And also the fact that I'm only trying to trade one stock a day. So what am I doing over here taking a loss on SGBX and back in it again? So my main struggle is just when I don't see what I want to see and I'm supposed to just do nothing. That's the entire struggle right now. How did I get here on $1.36 stock though? That's the real question. How did this happen? This is where I'm supposed to be on something like this. Why didn't I see hood? This red candle is so nasty right now to be trading in it.
Order filled.
Oh wow. Hmm. Okay. Yeah, that was definitely not it. Especially after this level broke. Like, come on. Mm. Well, it's a good experience with this type of scenario. I don't think I've had this happen since I was trying to trade just one stock. So I guess I can give myself a allowance for spazzing out. uh, yep, sure does, Q. Cause bruh, nasty. Make me want to stay far away from these mugs. All right, well, let me go find my soul. uh, hmm. Yeah. 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 All right, y'all. I'm out of here, man. I ain't got nothing. Catch y'all tomorrow. Peace.